Hi farm friends, we'll get started in just a minute. Go ahead and comment down below what animals you guys want to see on this Farm Friday. We'll be walking around the farm, seeing all of our furry friends this morning. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our farm tour. So if you do have any requests on what animals you guys would like to see today, go ahead and comment them below. We're just gonna be walking around, checking out our animals, seeing how they're doing on this beautiful Friday. Hey Shelly, thanks for joining. Hey Kristen, we'll definitely get to the goats. We also do have our Pekin ducks right here. These are the ducks right here that like the little scratches. Hey. All right, let's go see some baby goats. I'm gonna stop by the chicken coop first. And here we have all of our guinea hens, turkeys, chickens, hens, roosters. Right here we do have a rooster. So the rooster is the male in the chicken coop. And then here are all of the females. Another rooster. And we also do have some guinea hens that like to roam the property. All right, let's go see the goats. Over here we do have our goat walk, which is a playground up in the air for all of our goats. All of the strings, you can actually send food up to them. Hey Holly, thanks for joining. All of our goats this morning are eating a snack. They've all been enjoying some hay. So in here we do have the Nigerian dwarf goats, and then we do have some pygmy goats. So the pygmy, and then also the Nigerian dwarf. And they are all on the move. All right, Shelly, I do have a peacock over here for you. So if you guys are just joining, we're just going around the farm today, checking on all of the animals. So if you do have an animal you'd like to see, go ahead and comment down below. Here's a gorgeous peacock. Fun fact about peacocks, the length of them can actually get up to 6 feet, and they can still fly with all of those tails and all of those feathers on their tail. Hey Mary, thanks for joining. And then we have our Sebastopol geese over here. Oh, looks like we have a little friend. And we have Mr. Bill right there, one of our geese. If you guys are just joining us on this Friday evening, we're just going around the farm saying hey to all the animals, listening to the wonderful farm sounds. There you go, Shelly. He is showing off for you. And we have our African crowned cranes. The girl is on the right, and then the boy right there is on the left with the little poof on his head. Right here we do have our silky chickens. So these are a different kind of chickens, and you can recognize them by their silky like feathers and fluffy feathers. And they also do have feathers on their feet. And we do have all of our teenager chickens. So a couple weeks ago, these were all babies, and now they're growing up. Our sheeps and lambs, and our bigger goats are over here. Look at how big those ears are. And our baby doll sheep, Bonnie and Clyde. Then we have Miss Greta. Hey Parker, thanks for joining. Right here we have Bonnie and Clyde. Hey. Hey Brody, thank you so much for watching with your mom this morning. Hey Allison. And we have Eddie, our bigger sheep over here. Hey Paul, thanks for joining. And shearing is actually coming up. So it is shearing season. So they are all gonna get their fresh winter coats cut off next week. So be sure to pay attention to Facebook and social media so we're able to tell you when to watch. And you'll be able to see. Looks like everyone's just hanging out today. Hey Selena and Ava, thank you so much for watching from Tennessee. Again, look how big those ears are. And then we have our donkeys, Charlie and Darla, again with mixing their names together. Hey, buddy. So Charlie is our white donkey, and then Darla is the brown donkey. Darla's a girl and Charlie's a boy. Charlie did arrive on the farm first, and then Darla came about a year or two after Charlie. So they're only 2 years difference, but they act like brother and sister. These two always argue over who's gonna get pet first. And then Charlie always wins. And right here we do have our Kuni pigs. So if your kids have watched Moana, these are the same kinds of pigs on that Disney movie. So over here we do have Boomer, who's the youngest on the farm. And then we have Charlotte. And then right down here, oh, we have Tiny, and then Charlotte is this black one right here. Mr. Charlie's in my way. Fun fact about pigs, if you actually touch and pet them, their back, it actually feels like the bristles on your toothbrush. So next time you come, after you brush your teeth, feel those toothbrush bristles and then come over here and you can feel So when pigs actually roll in the mud, that is actually acting somewhat of a sunscreen, as you can see right through to their skin. So all of that mud they roll in cakes on themselves and acts like a natural sunscreen. Hey Leilani, we'll definitely get to the chickens for you. All right, I see Gigi. We have to go say hi to Gigi. Gigi is our Dexter cow on the farm. And then of course all of our llamas and alpacas are back here also. Typically Gigi runs. Let's see if she is today. Come here, Gigi. Oh, and we do have Zoe. And Francesca. We're also going to have a special video. We do have a special arrival on the farm next week, so stay tuned. She is related to Francesca, if that gives you a hint. Everyone's hanging out in the pasture today. Good morning. So this is Francesca. We did get her, I believe towards the end of September is when she arrived on the farm. So we do have our Dexter cow, our llamas, and our alpacas. A few of our ponies are also in here. And we do have Zoe the zebra right over there. All right, Leilani, we are gonna head up to the chickens right now. Say hey to Zoe really quick. Kriya's coming right here. Hey Bianca, we actually do have some horses. There's one, and then there's another right here. Pearl and Cinderella. So we have a wide variety of animals right here in our pony field. So Cinderella and Zoe, when Zoe did come to the farm, Cinderella acted like her mother, so that is why they thrive together. Zebras are closely related to the horse family. Hey Bianca, yeah, all of our animals are so friendly with each other and also our guest. It really does make a difference when you do raise animals from babies all the way through adulthood, just because they do learn the human interaction rather than getting an animal when they are older and then trying to teach them. So most of our animals we do raise from birth. All right, our last stop today for our 11 a.m. Facebook Live is the chickens. So we're gonna go check them out in the chicken coop. Also, stay tuned at 2 p.m. today. We do have a very special announcement. So go ahead and hop on around 2 o'clock. Right here we do have all of our baby chickens, and we actually did get baby turkeys yesterday. So they are all in there under the heat lamps, of course. And then all of our rabbits. Then we do have a peacock. Thank you so much for joining our 11 a.m. Facebook Live. Stay tuned on Facebook around 2 p.m. for a special Facebook Live announcement about what's going to be happening in the coming weeks. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you a little later.